Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Biweekly Contest 116. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's contest, today's problems, everything. As of tonight, I'm still in Nagasaki here in Japan. If you've been watching my daily videos, hopefully you've seen some of the intros. I've been kind of spicing that in. But also, yeah, what else was I to say? Yeah, just trying to do this bi-weekly. Follow me on Instagram as well if you're interested in my adventures. But yeah. I don't know. I mean, I don't have no expectations. I've been kind of, it's always tough to do these while traveling. But at least today I have a desk, so that's always good. That's always good. So we'll see if it's good enough. We have 10 seconds to go. Wish me good luck. Wish you had a good contest and good luck you're watching this because hopefully not live. But yeah, each problem will have its own video, so definitely check that out if you want an explanation. This is just a live recording. And here we go. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's loading. Oh, is it just me? Maybe my computer is slow. All right, there we go. Wasted 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Okay. Oh, supper race. Okay, fine. I hope that's right. I don't know. This way you used to mess up 21, so definitely not right. Oh, I did the +1 and then I did the thing. Okay. I don't trust myself, so I wanted to see it. Though I think that it should be right. 1, 2, 1 to 1. Oh, 1 to 1 has 2 distinct values. That's why. All right. Really trying to be careful and not get a wrong answer on the easy. Though if I still get a wrong answer, I'll still be really sad. Okay, good. Been way sloppy lately. That's why I'm taking my time on that one. All right, let's go. Each substring has even length. Only ones and only zero. S has even length. Okay. One or more substring. Okay. That should be pretty straightforward, I think. 210. Longest subsequence at target. Okay. Hopefully this is fast enough though. Now let's do it the bottoms up. It's a long, longest. Okay, fine. Maybe shift on the tops down. But Leetcode has some weird issues with it sometimes, so I'm not confident. I see. Okay. I have to return like -1 or something. One of these. Or maybe not. Wait, what? New mistake. This should be a pretty straightforward one, to be honest. But I'm getting it wrong, so let's. One, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is 4, but then it's 3. Why? How did this happen? What am I doing? This is such an easy problem and I'm messing it up. Why is this so weird? Oh, because of this. Okay. Okay. Hopefully I don't have a silly mistake. Other than that one that we just took so long. And if this times out, I'll also be very sad. It's 1,000 each, right? Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm very sad, but I hope I'm doing okay. That was a silly mistake. Okay. Oh, is this the first problem? It is the first problem. Okay, mod. Okay. What was the first problem again? Distinct count, sum of squares. Okay, so it was just that. Already a lot of people got it wrong. Don't know why. Then it's just how many things, right? Because I have to think about this one, right? 10 to the 5th. The numbers are 10 to the 5th. This can be how many ones are there, and then how many twos are there, right? This is the thing I need pencil and paper for. We can't do a sliding window for every possible value, so I'm actually surprised no one finished it yet, though. I feel like some geniuses out there, but okay. What is the contribution, right? So the contribution is the things to the left and then the things to the right. I feel like this is a problem we've done before. Okay, so for each number we look at the left to see to the last one. Okay, so then we always look to the left, and then okay, the last number that you've seen, right? And then what? What does that mean? That means that this no longer contributes. So then it goes 1. Then how do you merge? It's not super clear to me either. Hope I did the first. If I did Q3 a little bit faster, I've been a little bit more happier. But so that means that, okay, how do we go? We can go to the left, okay, but that's still n squared. How do we do the merge? Okay, so everything to the number before, there's this thing, right? So that means that if there's 3 distinct things, then you have 1 distinct, 2 distinct. Ah, there you go, someone solved it. So it means it's possible at least. So basically something like this. Oh, maybe I added 3. So this one has 1 distinct for it. And here this has 1 and then 2, right? Distinctness. And then here that's 3. And so the sum of 1, 2, and 3 squared, which is fine. We can figure that out. And then now what do we do with this 1? That means that because this has 3, we do 1, 2, and 3. So this is a 3. Okay, but now we're doing a stupid pattern. So let's say we have a slightly better pattern. What this is a 1. 1, then we have a 1, but then this has a 3. So what does that mean for the 3? Or for this 1? Oh, this 1 actually means, actually, is this a 3? Well, after a 4, or the substring of 4 is still a 3, right? So that means that this is, so the first one, and let's write it vertically. So this is just 1, this is 1 square plus 2 square, this is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, but this is actually 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 3 square for the 4 prefix, right? And then now what's the 1? 1 is 1 plus 1 plus another 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. So you have this prefix or suffix from the previous number because it is. So how did I figure this out, right? Because this isn't even a normal thing. This is just 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. This is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. Right? And now let's say we have another, let's say we have a 3. What does that mean? That means we have 1 plus 2 plus 2, right? Plus, and then now it's still 2 because it sees something plus 3 plus 3, right? So now it's not a suffix or prefix. It is basically taking this, and because it's not the same, well, it's plus 1 to all the things until it meets up, right? Is that true? I guess that's true. So then this is 1, this is 2, this is, there's no meeting up, okay. And then this is now, this is 1 plus the previous one plus 1. So maybe that's the other way of thinking about it. Is this and then this 2, well, it just doesn't really, is that right? What does that even mean? Right, and then this 1 just means you take the entire thing and then you just copy it. Because once you see the same thing, once you see, like, for example, this 3, so it's 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. That's not even, I mean, that's this stuff, so it's, Alright, so then what's another 3? Say 3 would be just 1 plus, and then just all this. Okay, fine, that's fine, maybe. And let's say we have 1 again. What does this mean? That's 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus, and now it's the same. So then it's just going to repeat. So basically we have to sum up all these things. And also increment everything in between. Okay, that makes sense. Basically, it is saying this 1 is not equal to any of these numbers. So it has to increment here and increment here. And then still only 1 incomplete. I mean, I think I get the pattern. I don't know how to, is this like a, I don't, especially the square part. This isn't just regular thing, it's the squares of this thing count. So, I mean, I think I get the idea. Is you increment all the way up to the last one, and then the suffix, you know, and then you could maybe model this into some sort of you know, fancy trees or something, or a segment tree or something like that, maybe. But I mean, in theory anyway. I don't know if that's true. And now let's say you have a 2 just for fun, right? So then now it's 1 plus, oops, 1 plus what? Now it's going to be 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and then plus 3 plus 3, because now we see the 2. So I think that thing is true. Okay, so we basically add 1 to all the counts, but then we have to square all these. My notation is weird, but we have to square all these. That's the hard part. Otherwise you just add, you know, otherwise you just add like n or something like this, and this is very easy. How do you handle the square part? Let's say you have this secret. I mean, I think I get the pattern, but I don't know if I know the technique for this part. And only one person got it right, so maybe not that many people know either. Okay, let's just do it 3 just for fun. So then now it's going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, and then it's just the same, right? So, okay. All right, I think the pattern is established, but we have to figure out how to do the add, right? For example, here, now we have 1 plus 2, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, or even here, it could be any arbitrary thing, right? So it could just be these two, or whatever it was. I guess in this case it was this, and then now we just add 2. So then now you have 1 square plus 1 square into 2 square plus 2 square. How do I do that? In a O of log n kind of way. I guess you can just do a frequency thing, right? Maybe. I mean, I think you could do a frequency thing. And then what do you do with a frequency thing? Or like you need to know the path in between, and you can update. Can you update? Because here, let's say we go up to this 3 goes up to this 3, right? So what does this, oops, what does this mean? Because, oops, how do I keep doing that? Because this actually already, this one changes the composition of the things we have to add. So we can't just like we can't store, can we store a prefix thing? Like 3, we store 1, 2, and 3. And then here, we update it to we add 1, and then we update 2 of these. And the thing is, we have to also get the sum of these, right? So we can't just like do a thing on at the end. We have to do all the intermediate ones too, because that includes all the stuff. I feel like I don't know how. I mean, I know we made a step, but I don't know that I know this technique. How do I know that these two are ones? Or like with this one, that we do these things. Do we merge? Do we compress? No, because this 3, if we compressed it up to here, then the next 1 will all kind of like we do a stack or something, right? And also that stack would have eventually be way too big, maybe, if you don't do it carefully. Well, still only 1 people got it right, so this is pretty hard. Wish I did Q3 faster. I mean, I have the idea. I don't know how to. Maybe I'll cheat a little bit and see if I can look up segment tree. I remember this idea. I do actually know this one because I did it like a few contests ago. Maybe it wasn't a while ago. Basically, sum of a square plus b square plus c square so if we store two things, the sum of the squares. Wait, how do I do it? I forget how it goes. Basically, a plus this is equal, something like a plus b plus c square is equal to what? Is equal to. I feel like I remember this, but I asked Wolfram. Plus 2ac plus b squared plus 2bc plus b to c squared or something like this, right? So that means that it's going to be a plus b plus c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared. I used this identity not that long ago. And then now, how do I do it? I think you could do something like seg tree with this. I think I remember this idea. How do I? I think it's a lazy sick tree problem, but how many points is this? 7? Yeah, if only I did Q3 faster. That was a silly typo. But and we used to. How what was it? Was it we doing? Not doing Q1? Just like too lazy? It's probably just not updated. But still, that's funny though. Do I have a lazy? Do I have a? I feel like I did segment tree before. I don't know. I mean, I definitely have. I'm trying to find my code to see if I have it. I mean, I have seg tree. I don't know. It's not lazy though. Okay, so that means that let's say we increment by 1. What does this mean? Let's say we increment this by 1, right? Well, let's say we increment C by 1. So then now we have, I don't know, this is too much math for me. I need paper, I don't know. What is that page? CP algorithms or something? I haven't done it in a while. I think I did this recently, but I don't know why I don't have a template. Maybe I gotta figure it out. But okay, fine. I think we have the idea, so I think it's just actually. I have an hour to do it, I guess. So let's do it, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna cut. This is my regular sig tree code for I think max. So now we have to make this lazy. I'm pretty lazy, but. Addition on segments. Okay, yeah, that's what we want to do. What is this I? I think we just have to 0. Maybe. I guess N. What is M? Oh, I guess 0. Okay. Let's wanted to see if it actually runs. Okay, it runs. Because it does run the build. Okay. And then now. We don't want a max. We want a get function, which I guess is max, but maybe not. I think I'm just doing this wrong. Okay. This template is useless. I mean, I don't think it's a template. It's just the last time I used it. Okay, and then and I call it M tree, but I think it's not an M tree anymore. I think I meant that as a max tree, but it's the sum of the. No, this isn't quite right. What am I doing? We want adding on segments, and we want to query, right? Okay, yeah, this is wrong. What am I doing? I don't even know if the build is right. this before, but I don't remember exactly. It'll just be one anyway. Why did I write it that way? Update the left and update the right. Oh, what the? I don't know what I just did. I really don't know what I just did. Whatever. Hope that didn't leak any information. If it did, I just have to edit it out. I mean, I'm really just spending most of this, like, I feel like someone with a template would get this one immediate, not immediately, obviously, but would have gotten it by now. And a couple of people have, including a guy named Segment Tree. Interesting. Oh, this isn't max anymore, right? So we want actually this isn't quite this is a placeholder. Okay, and then push. Oops. Yeah, maybe it doesn't matter. Yeah, I think. Lazy push down. Okay. And then now to query. I always forget how to use these, to be honest. Can I do this with binary index tree? Actually, maybe I could have, because it's only the prefix, right? Yeah, maybe I could have. Okay. What would it look like with binary index tree, even though I'm like 10 minutes into this? I mean, same thing, you just update a range. Yeah, I'm already here. I don't know. Maybe it's too. Wait, no, this is the query. This is also a placeholder to I figure out what to do. It's the m+1, right? All right, just making sure that it runs, and then now, okay, now what? Okay. Okay, yeah, I mean, now it's just for ix in enumerate nums, right? I think so, because you want to basically now, right? Whatever, we'll just do it this way, right? If x not in, if x is in mass of x, we want to do something like update. What is we again? I always forget how to do these things. What is we? We is 0 or something, or 1, I think. Okay, yeah, we is vertex, I think. So when 1, was it 0 n, and then yeah, and then we want to update this with this to the I-1, and then 1 for the increment. Else, we just do it from 0 or something. 0 to I-1, 1, right? And then we want to also update just I in general. Oh, I guess we could have done this with I. Actually, then that would be fine. And then now I have to do like a query of I never know if it's, oh, it's n-1, I think, actually. And then we want it from 0 to I, and this will give us the total, right? Something like that. And it's not right yet because we didn't do some key components. Right. And then we have to do obviously last of x is equal to I. And then now, yeah. That's just wanted to see if it crashes. It's still not right, I know. Ref half of ref 40 some minutes, but what? 7 were given. Left, right, update, what is update? We 6, right, 6. Oh, I just forgot the self because I'm a noob in programming. Okay, I mean, we returned something, which is nice. It's always nice to return something, right? I don't even know what it does. Okay. I guess it's just negative infinity from this. Wait, why? Tell me why. I guess that makes sense for maxing, but it doesn't make sense for adding. Okay, well, this is my computer host. This is a bad time for either Leetcode or me having issues. No, I could hit up other websites. That's really sad if that's true, because I think I'm very close to it. Or maybe not very close, but close enough. Like how close, how much more close can I get? I don't know. I'm only gonna get closer, I suppose. But alright, let's focus on. It's kind of hard to do without debugging, right? I mean, this stuff is gonna be right. Maybe it's off by one, but okay. Now we can focus on. So I think I messed up, maybe. No, I mean that's fine. Or at least, I mean, maybe I messed up, but not on that. 6 and 3 is not even close. I mean, it doesn't really matter. There's no way that should be close. Okay, so then now. Okay, so this is actually. Okay, I have to figure out how to do this. Okay, so this, right? This is just equal to 2 plus AB plus AC plus BC, right? But what does that mean? Multiply everything by 2. So okay, we keep track of all the elements so that we can square it, and then we. How do we keep? We have to keep track of this or something, right? So I don't know how. Well, okay. So maybe it won't matter anyway. But so okay, so it's not just me. I mean, I could hit up Google and Reddit, which is So we do a push query. Okay, so then now the M3 is sum of elements, maybe. Because basically when we increment, what do we do? All the numbers that we don't care about. Okay, fine, obviously. And then here, the new sum of those squares. And then we just get two, we have to keep track of 2 times these. But then now, let's say if C increments by 1, what does that mean? If C increments by 1, I mean, this is just going to be the new thing, so I don't care about it. But this is the delta. So then that means that we have to add, I don't know how to, I mean, I have the idea, but I am not doing it right. Or like, I'm not smart enough for this. I'm just too out of shape for math. Okay, so sum of elements. And sum of squares, I guess. Right, and then now what? Build. I mean, this is just gonna be built with 0. I don't know. I don't know. This is just lazy, but it's fine. We'll always build with 0. Query, right? And now how does that change? I think this is actually, let's see, just one element, right? Okay. Same as S3, I guess. So again, these are going to be just 0, so these actually don't do anything. But okay, let's see. So query, we're going to get the sum of squares, so that's fine. And then here we want to that's also in theory fine. So this update is going to be the one that does the work, right? This is true, this is not true, right? So how do we, so here the increment makes sense. And then the thing that has to do is okay, if there's just one element, then previous is equal to this. Well, it's just, oops, with one element, what am I doing? And it's just, Right, okay. Now, otherwise, we push the node to be updated. We update left, we update right, and then the M tree is correct, and then the sub should also be correct, right? That's fine. But then how does this... this part is wrong, isn't it? S tree is this. But that means that the M tree is wrong. Okay, what am I doing? So update, where's one element? We're done. Otherwise, we push these. So we push the lazy down. We update left, we update right. How is this not linear if we keep on recursioning it? How is update not linear? The way I'm doing this is binary. When does it stop? No, I guess this part is wrong actually. This is not when it's one element, this is when the range matches. So okay, I messed up here. This part is right though, I think. So then it's this part. So how do you do it? Even this part isn't right, because this is a range. But actually, if it's by 1, then it should be plus or minus L, maybe plus 1 for the number of elements. If there's one element, okay, fine, right? And then now, what does that mean? So you have a range. So this isn't even right. I mean, this part should be right, but what does this mean? It should be... It should only be 1 anyway. Is that right? Technically it's this, but... Does this crash? Oh, it doesn't run anyway. I don't have the energy to kind of... Yeah, this is working. I mean, I feel like I'm on the right track. I'm doing it well. 20 and 6. Yeah, well. So 1 is 1, okay. 5 is 1 plus 2 squared is 5, okay. And then now 1, 2, and then 3. So 9, 5, 1. No, 9, 5. Should be 1, 4, 4, but it is not. So let's just do just do it real quick. That doesn't make sense, does it? Does it? Does it? Basically, well, this is 1 and then 5, right? Am I updating wrong? 0 and I, this is last plus 1, actually, I think maybe makes sense. 3 is more, right? 11 is a little bit wrong, but I like the spirit. 1 is fine, 5, and then it should have another 5 is Y, but why doesn't it though? So 1 5 1 4 and then 5 1 0 and 1. What is this? Why would it have 4? 4 doesn't make any sense. Does it? Zero, okay. 1 1 is 0. Is that right? Oh yeah, because it includes it. So, wait, what? 0 zeros. I. No, that's not fine. Does it? I wonder how this adds up to 5 though. It was just 1 and 0. So I think my thing is just bugged. But I don't know why this is 0. This should always increment by 1, right? If x is in last, so it's not, so it's 0 to I. That seems right. Right? Do I plus 1? Did I mess it up? Is math hard? Now it makes even less sense. Yeah. Well, I don't know how to do this part of the math. It's probable that this part is just wrong. Where is it? The update. Okay, so let's say that's where we need the sum of the elements, right? The sum of the elements, if we add, say, 5 or 2. What is this? Yeah, time to ask Google. Oh yes. And then now it is this thing, which is just, let's say we added 2, then it just becomes this thing plus 4 plus 4 A plus 4B plus 4C plus 4. So that means that this is the, if we add 2, yeah, I mean, b plus 1 and c plus 1 doesn't matter. Right, that factors it out. So that means that what if this is 3? It's 2 times that plus that square. So even though this is a 1, so basically, okay. Oh, did I mess this up? Is this a, no, did I mess that up? No, that should be fine. Maybe. Right, so it's adding, so that's the range times 2. So maybe I have to times it by 2, because that's the number of things, plus, that's, what is that? Oh, that's 4 plus, okay. So that's 2. So let's say the range is, it's 2 times the range times the previous sum, right? Plus, and then it's just number of the range square or something. Something like that. I don't know. If this is right, I don't know. It's gonna be silly. No, I mean, I think this is just lucky, because this should still 1. Like, I think I just got a little lucky. I don't know what this 9 means, right? I have 20 minutes. So 0, 0 is 1, 1, 0, 1 is 1, but then we don't increment anything here. This should be a, well, this should be a 2. And then this should be a 1. And then this should be a 9. That would make sense to me. I don't know how, I don't know what is going on here. Yeah, this is just lucky, I think. Because this should be 1, 4, and 4. Because this one should have a prefix of, yeah, 1. Well, this should be 4. Almost got me excited here. Let's just try another one as well. I guess that one's pretty straightforward. But now, I mean, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 doesn't look right. So, I mean, this is right, but I don't even know how it gets 9. Query, is the query right? Take the subcomponents, and yeah, the sub. Oh no, this is right. We want this to be true. Is this true? I think so. I'm weak on the lazy things. Okay, otherwise we push here that we want to add that to the left, to the right. And then this is just a sub. No, these parts should be right. And then this is the part that I need to fix, right? What is this 9? And also, why is this a 0 if there's a 9? Does this even work this way? I don't know that it does, to be honest. I can't just print it. Yep, and it's also ST. Okay, so now it's after 1 1, it just goes so it goes from 0 to 0, right? So which is the first node? Okay, fine. And then it just updates a lot of 9s for adding 0 and 1 to the thing, right? And it should add y. Don't know how this doesn't return. How does this return a 0? So okay, let's take a look. This is true. Is this right? Did I mess that up? It seems to be right, but I don't know. I don't know that I understand why. Okay, zeros. How does it look like? 0 0. Alright, that's good. 0 1. We have a range. On who's this? On the update. On update 0 and 1. That's true. The previous was 1 and a 1, which is also true because it's 0 and 1. And then now it adds it to 2 and a 3, but it's not 9 square, or it's not 9, it's 1 square plus 2 square, which should be 5, right? So that should be a 5. So what am I doing wrong? So, okay, so now, oops. Okay, so we have 1 square plus 0 square. And then we want to go to 2 plus 1, right? Square. Each of it's square. What does that mean? I think I had it here, though. Yeah, I mean, did I forget the 2 AP component or something? It's going to be 2 times the range. Well, it's 2 times, and the sum, right? Where's my thing? So, is it not 2 times this? Oh, wait, no. So, S of 3 is 1 times 2. So this is 1. So this is, and it adds it to a 9, which is not right. Right? What we want is, we want it to be a 5. Something's a little bit off. It's 2 times. Well, this is the maybe this. 7 is still wrong. I mean, that looks right. So we want 2 times the sum is going to be 1. So then you want, so this is 2, 2. So this is going to be 4 plus 1. So that's going to be 5. Right? Is that true? What is left and right? No, I print that. So that's 2, 4. Oh, and this is 4. So this is 4 plus 4, so that's 9. That's not right. That's clearly not right. But how does this work, right? So we have 1 plus 0, right? I only have whatever minutes. That's 4a plus 4b plus 4. That part is right. Right? So a plus b plus 2. So the formula is right. As we can subtract 2 times whatever from both, but so why is that not right? A is equal to 0, A is equal to 1. Zero, 1. So that's going to be 8. Yep. But instead, that doesn't even make sense. We're only having 4 at most. So what is my logic wrong? So we have this as the sum. I mean, this form was right, but I'm just doing it wrong, I guess. Maybe that already factors it in. I don't know. I just kind of hacked something together to make it make sense, but I don't even know that it does, to be honest. This 5 is fine, but like I said, this is hacked together. I don't think this is a real thing. What is all this stuff? Oh, the 2, 2, 0, and then it goes to the 1. Okay, that's fine. Does it update that? No, I think this is actually maybe. Nope. This is way wrong. Why is it updating 2 then? No, maybe that's fine. Maybe it was just updating both components actually. But why is it getting 5? Oh, it's 1, 3, 1. That's true. That's no. Oh, no. This should be 2 and this should be 1. I think that's why. But 1 1 was a 1, and then it goes to a 2. Is that true? Yeah, I guess so. This should be of 2 2 2 1. Okay. It should be 2 2 1, but it went to 3. Is this somewhat? I mean, that's not even a possible number for being a square root, square of a number. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think I'm just hacking things together for this. To be honest, I thought the other thing would have been right, but I don't know how to fix it. Oh. Why is this 9? I mean, we get it why it's 9, but why is this formula wrong? What am I doing wrong? Is it do I have an extra component of this? Maybe. Maybe I have to do something with this that I don't realize, because no, that's all factored out, I think. Yeah, that should be all factored out. Then how? I have like 8 minutes. I don't think I'm getting this, I guess. I mean, I grind and I tried. This one should be right. It's just increment by whatever. Yeah, like increment by 2. So then now 1 plus 0 going to 1 square plus right. I just don't know the formula. I mean, I think if I knew the formula about the changes, I thought this would be good enough, because I thought that this is going to be equal to, what did Google tell me? Yeah, just like a squared plus b squared plus 2ab plus where is my Google page? Plus 4ab plus 4a plus 4b plus 4. So I just do this, right? But then it's not working really. Also, I don't even use increment. I think some of it we're supposed to multiply by increment, but if it adds 3. Why is this wrong? Why is this, or like, how do I fix this? Like, this should give me 5 and I would be very happy. This is the previous thing, right? So I don't even know. This gives me 5, but then now this is just wrong, right? Gives me 1 2 1. Actually, the sum is actually right, just not the Or like these are right, but not, well, maybe they're wrong actually. I don't know. I don't know if they're right or wrong. I mean, these are right for certain things and wrong for certain other things. I have no idea how to do it. I think I give up. I mean, I think this is just one of those math things. So I feel like this was the right idea, but I definitely am missing the sum of squares trick or something. Hmm. So I did that with the merge as well, maybe. I don't know. I mean, this is if I feel like if I knew how to do this, I guess how you could say that about anything. I think I have the right idea, but it's not quite. Yeah, maybe the merging is wrong too. I don't know. I just assumed that we can merge by doing this. I mean, the S3 part should be right. I think even the M3 part should be right, but mm, oh, excuse me, friends. I mean, a lot of people got it, so we'll see where my was kind of slow on the Q3, kind of hurt me. Um, even did all the formula and everything. Maybe I need a pencil and pen. I don't get it though. Why? How does this work? So 1 plus 0, 2 is equal to 1 to 2 plus 0 to 2 plus 2 plus, okay, and then now 1 plus 0 plus 2 to 2 is equal to 1 to 2 plus 0 to 2 plus 2ab, so still 2, the previous ab, plus 4 plus 4 plus, plus 0 plus 4. So this is equal, so before it was 3, now it's equal to 11. But obviously this isn't true because that's just 9, right? Actually, and even this is not true. What am I doing? A plus b squared is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Ooh, ab is not 0, huh? Okay, by the way, that part doesn't. Then now I guess this is actually right. I guess I'm just formulating it incorrectly. Okay. I guess maybe I was just, mm, I think the formulation, okay. I guess I was just wrong about this particular part. Because what I want is actually, because this has the full, this has extra components due to the A2AB or something. So maybe it's minus 2AB. I thought that they would cancel out, but I think I was wrong, I guess. So 2AB is now still 0. Oh wait, no, now the 2AB is 1 and 2. No, it's still, no, it still should be 0, right? Because it's just the previous AB. So you want to subtract that to get the delta. Maybe I was just wrong. I'm asking Discord. Apparently, Remix got it, which is good for him. Sorry, friends, you can't really see my screen, but I'm still recording, so you know, whatever. Should I do that? But oh, it's 2 times this plus. Would that fix it? I'd be very sad if it actually fixed it, but I mean, fix it for this, but it doesn't for this for some reason. Well, this is I don't get it. I don't know. This is 1. This is 3. Is that 3? No, this shouldn't be 3. It should be 2 square. What's my rank? Let's take a look. Segment tree, okay. Some crazy stuff. Okay, propagate, okay. Oh wait, add, okay, add is add. All right, let's see if someone else wrote it in a better, cleaner way. Okay, so yeah, I mean that part, like that's basically my code. It's just about this other part. I'm in Japan right now, so I guess this is Japanese-ish. But some crazy template for. Okay, let's look at. I mean, there's a guy named Segment Tree, so would he lift up to his name? I thought I did something like this, but maybe not. Oh, did I mess that up? Oh, I ignored increment because I did it wrong. Because of the laziness. Wait, what? I think I did mess up on the laziness though. Well, I think that's on just this part. Yeah, I didn't know how to merge them, I don't think. Alright, so basically he's saying, okay. I mean, yeah, the push part, I still don't know. Okay, I don't think I understood this enough to do the lazy part. But basically he's saying what is this craziness anyway? But yeah, where's the push? Okay, this is the push. I guess the merge part is right, but the push part is wrong for me. I mean, yeah, I guess it's time to learn. I guess I can't do it here. Okay, let's see. What? That is crazy. But this is push, and this is getting pushed. I just no way. I mean, I don't know if there's no way, but I definitely do not understand segment tree this well. I have enough ideas, but still. So, right? So, and this is kind of what we did have actually, but I didn't take account of. I didn't know how to do the lazy part enough. I think I actually had something like this, but not with respect to the laziness. And then Yeah, I know that right now. I'm just trying to understand it, so I'm just copying it word for word, pretty much. Um, and try to see if I can understand it along the way. Otherwise, we push. I guess push already does that. And then this other merging part I also didn't get, I suppose. Yeah, I mean, I think I did the formula right. Yeah, I don't think I'm propagated correctly, obviously. Um, I think in theory we did pretty okay on something that I knew nothing about. So, um, but you know, no consolation prizes, I suppose. And this is increment. Yeah, okay, fine. And I had this formula, I think. I mean, I didn't use increment because increment's always one, but would this be good enough? We no longer. I mean, we already pushed, so we don't have to do it again. Did I not have a mod? Oh, still wrong, but that's fine. Or like it's a progress. I mean, this is still wrong here. So this is right though. So we're making some progress. This is still wrong though. Oh wait, no, this is fine. No, we increment. This should be a 2. So this should be a 4. So I don't think we're incrementing quite right. So that's it. Did I mess something up? No. Queries. Unless my query needs to be fixed. What? What does that even mean? To update and then did he do it like backwards or something? Just the root node? I guess the root node's supposed to contain all of it, but I don't know. Why is the computer so slow? What is going on? What else do I need to do? And I guess the root node would contain the entire sum, but I feel like what was it, the sig tree guy? I mean, that's pretty good. Good job, sig tree guy. is it 1 to n? Maybe that's the other part that I wasn't sure about, if I should go 1 to n minus 1. And that's just me being a noob, I think. And then he's doing it backwards for some weird reason, which I guess is fine. I don't know. I don't know. I guess we add another one, maybe just for fun. I don't know them. I think this one actually doesn't matter, but at least maybe it'll be a little bit cleaner. I don't know if that's true. I feel like stick trees are just such a weird thing. I mean, this is clearly not on interview scope, by the way. I don't know why Leetcode keeps on doing it, but I don't know. Well, why is this not? Still going to learn though, but what was my rank anyway? Did that ever update? Yeah, 78. I guess it's not so bad considering I didn't finish one problem, but still not Gucci, if you ask me. I mean, this looks fine, or looks consistent with this. Do I still do this? Maybe that part is weird now. Yeah, no, it still does it. Maybe. I mean, it sets it up so that next time it will push, but I don't even know. I think there's I mean, that's, I don't know. The cool part is that we got the hard part about it. I did have something like this though, right? But I just didn't really handle the lazy propagation correctly. What does this mean? Yeah. Need someone with an actual thing and not. Okay, this is ridiculous. Who did I click on? Oh, KMJP. Binary index tree. I thought about binary index tree, but I just couldn't figure it out. What is this syntax? This is terrible, but okay, fine. Okay, this is just regular update. Because it is prefix, I guess that makes sense. Oh wait, no it isn't. But I guess it, yeah, I mean you could just do this thing. And then total. Okay, so what is mo? More money, more problem. Oh, mod. If it's there, we tick the. I guess binary index tree also works. I was thinking about that, but I couldn't really, I don't know. I'm not really binary index tree, segment tree thing. Oh wait, someone did it with Python, let's take a look. I mean, this Fenwick, so he also did it with binaries. What's this other thing? Oh, Alright, let's take a look at someone with actual binary segment tree. Alright. I guess this is the kind of code that I was trying to write, but Goody did not do. Push has, oh yeah, because this push is crazy, which is what I did in a way, or tried to do, but failed, and I have it here. I guess we could just do, okay, we'll just copy and paste. I'm not copy and paste literally, but you know, okay, let's change back to 0 index, I suppose, because that's what this guy did. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know much about segment trees. I mean, I do, but not, you know, I never used not lazy propagation stuff. I mean, I only know it on a very basic level, and this is beyond basic. This is not even close to being into a level. Okay, so update. I'm just gonna, yeah. And we had something funky here. Okay, let's take a look. So he uses much more reasonable things than I am. Okay, so 2 times. Okay, so incrementing. Okay, so this is basically what I did with the mod, but I'll ignore the mod for now. All right, else. Oh, well, I just took it out though. Push V, but I guess the push I just never did. Well, I didn't know how to do the push in a good way. And we're supposed to use TLTR. Maybe that's where I messed up. Huh. Actually, maybe I kind of confused that. And then the and then push is some craziness actually. Okay, so MG. Now it manually pushes it down. Okay, I buy it. But why not for the current sum? That is a... okay. I mean, I get what he's doing. But I don't know. I don't know enough about the mechanics of this, of the Y's. This is just like why? Tell me why. No one knows. I mean, we're pushing it in a really weird way. I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but I'm also don't have that many ideas, so why not? I get what they're trying to do, but I don't know why you would necessarily do it. Right, and then some we just kind of, okay, yeah. I mean, this part is, yeah, I don't know why you would do it this way, to be honest. but I guess, I don't know. But I don't know anything, so like Jon Snow or something. So that's the push, and then everything else is probably very standard. Yeah. The query as well. Okay. Will this magically work? No. I need to put a self in there or something. Where? Tell me why? Oh, there's another push. Where do I have another push? Query? Does this guy's query have a push? He does. Maybe I confused. I was. No, I mean that wouldn't have changed it enough. Alright, well this is now wrong. Why? 1 and 1 should be 1 and instead of 2. This 4 is fine actually. And 5 is actually right. But the 12 is clearly not. It should be 4, 4, 1, 4, 9. Right? Where do you even get the 7 from? This is exhausting. I don't do anything funky, right? I guess he sums it to n minus 1, but it doesn't. Should be over 0, so I don't think it matters. Yeah. But and yeah, otherwise that's how I was going to do it. But also, yeah, just maybe I should have added a few things just in case. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, query and everything looks right. Checks out. I mean, the build doesn't even matter per se. I think it's just zeros. There should be all zeros anyway. Update. Am I doing update weird? Probably. Yeah, that's what I have. I mean, sure, I can add some mods, but else we push. Everything else seems more or less the same. Again, sure, with some mods, but the mod isn't the issue yet. But so did I mess up the? I get what he was trying to do, so maybe I just messed something up. I mean, it is a weird way of doing it, but who am I here to judge? I don't know anything. I disagree. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, idea should be right. An update. I mean, it would be funny if I was turned out to be like off by one all this time, but it seems like I should be okay. So why am I doing it wrong? Just I mean, I not that intentionally, but I didn't put in mod stuff intentionally. Well, it doesn't matter. Is not going well for my going to sleep early. Need a pack actually, but that's besides the point. Why? Tell me why. It should be, so is this right? No. Well, no, it should be, this is, no, the 2 is wrong. Though the 5 is right. Why is the 2 wrong? I mean, the 5 being, it feels like just a lucky thing if I don't fix it or whatever. Right? Mm. It'd be nice if the server is not having issues. Seems okay, but maybe the code running box is having issues. Okay, what am I printing? 0, 0, 0, 0 is 4. Y. I mean, that part is actually right, though it's a little bit weird. And then 1, 1 is 2. Why? Tell me why. I need to trace this all the way. Not that I was actually going to go sleep early, but man, would love the option to. Okay, so I want to know why this is 2. Right? And basically on update, TRTL, do I return? Why is this weird? Why is this so asymmetric? So re L TLTR LR. Okay, that makes sense. 5 and 3. What's 5 and 3 again? 5 is entry, 0 and 1, and then just return 5 and 3. Why? And why doesn't it recurse more? Okay, so I guess there's this thing, and then here we increment by 1, so that's 2, that's just 2, so then now we has 2, so that's 3 is right. Oh, I mean, this is right too, but the propagation is wrong, I guess, because it propagates down a 2 instead of a 1. Okay, so now let's just see what the laziness is. It's either that or we lazy it twice or something weird. So it has a propagation of 1 on the laziness, right? Yeah, okay. Alright, these are just things getting pushed. 0, 1, 5, and 3. Yeah. So then now it updates these. Did I mess up anything on updates? So it should update with 1. I guess when you don't understand things, you have to do debugging a lot. So this is 1 and this is 0. That makes sense. Because one of them is a 1 and the other is a 0. And then now this is a 4, which makes sense, and then the 2 on the right side. Did I mess up something on the right side? So it adds adding so many variables. So mid is 0, so 0, 0, and then so how does this work again? Oh, do I mess this up? I think I did mess this up. It should be like +1 or something. Yeah, okay, fine. I messed this up. Was I lazy on the thing? Okay, so that was it, really, huh? Alright. I had all this formula too. Did I? Or am I lying? No, I think no, I had it. Yeah. And I'm still printing a lot of stuff. Maybe it times out because I'm too slow. Maybe I have to do some stuff. I don't know. Maybe the server is just having issues. But because I mean I'm just doing regular propagation. I don't know what could be slow here, to be honest. So query. I mean, this is definitely slow, right? But at least it's right. You can see that it's right. Are there some optimizations that we can do? We can skip build. This does nothing. Okay, fine. I guess we can just leave it in. All right. Went from 7 point something seconds or something. See how fast it goes. Hopefully a little bit faster. Nope, actually slower, but I mean I think that's just luck. Maybe I'll just leave it in here, but that would be very sad during the contest if I did all this and still get it TRE. How did they get it? Not TRE, to be honest. Maybe the server is just having issues now. Probably not, but I mean this is pretty okay. I don't know. Like we can make some minor optimizations, but I don't think there's any big optimizations that I can do. That's weird. I guess I can do what they said, F3 of 1. Is that faster? It's a little bit faster. It may be wrong. No, it's right. It's actually a lot faster. Jeez. But is it still fast enough? I don't know. That's a very weird thing. How can I even optimize this? I don't even know. Like I'll give it a YOLO submit, but I think it'll still time out because there's a lot of cases or something. But I don't know. Actually, that accepts that, which is really silly, but that's besides the point. I guess that's why the other person did it with the O n minus 1, because I think that is literally the first node. Let's run it real quick. Maybe that's a good reason to actually, like maybe that's a good reason to do that instead of to my I way, and that forces a lot of recalculation and stuff like this. That's actually interesting. I never thought about it that way. As a needed or I didn't think about that as an optimization, but okay. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I think that's all I have for this problem. That's all I have for this contest. I am going to go over in some videos, so definitely check that out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think on this video. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye. I have to press the button.